arrogant, emotional people, they call me arrogant. Some people, they call me confident. But it's just that I don't trust people. So opinion will always be opinion for me, even my own. And that's what I like about myself. Many don't see that, but that's okay. And I don't like emotions. When they come true, they fuck with me, confuse me. So I stay still and watch how I pass it through, like a lame party. And then I always find answers through peace. There's always peace in the eye of the storm. That's a fact and a metaphor.